Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for December 30th. Looking at the US Japanese yen pair, I'm expecting this pair to move as high as 91.76 and on the lower side 88.92. Now going into New Year's, the new year will probably have a little bit lower volume than normal, but that's where the range lies. Now, do look for resistance around 91.00. Look for support around 90.00 for this particular pair. Now let's switch over to the Euro USD. This particular pair did not make the move that I thought it would or could make, basically breaking below this low, this session's low, and then closing this gap. Still looking for that. We have some serious support here that has that's been created, over the past several sessions. And when that's broken and we break this low, that we'll get that 100 pip move that we're looking for. So definitely keep an eye on that. Now, as far as the range, I'm looking for this particular pair to move as high as 1.4345 and on the lower end 137.89. Now look for some resistance around 1.4236 and look for support around 139.22. And let's take a look at the pound US dollar pair. This pair moved higher but pulled back a significant amount prior to the close. We informed an inside bar, by the way, in doing that. I am looking for this pair to move as high as 1.4689 and as low as 141.92. Now look for some resistance to come in around 145.54 and look for support around 143.78 in this particular pair. Now switching over to the US Swiss, this particular pair, I'm expecting it to move as high as 1.0724 and as low as 1.0386. And look for resistance pretty much at the same level, this 1.0724 level. But look for support to come in at 1.0479, so a little bit higher than our lower range. Now what I'm looking for during this next session or two, there's a couple of things I'm looking at. Looking at the pound US dollar pair, formed an inside bar, looking for it to move down, basically get a break of this low, which it's pulling back against, so we may not get it, but look to go short around the 1.4381 area, looking to cover that fairly quick at 143.30 for about a 50 pip move, 51 pip move there. So that's one thing I'm looking at. I'm also looking at the inside bar that was created on the Australian US dollar pair. This particular pair created an inside bar at the close of this session. Look for a break to the upside of that at 0.6967. Look to take a profit at 0.7038, and that would be a profit around 71 pips for that particular trade. So if we get a breakout to the upside and it breaks the high of this session, then it should run up to that level before it hits some serious resistance. Well, that about does it for today. There's no real news announcements moving forward into tomorrow. Not till Friday do we have a serious news announcement, and that's due to the holidays and New Year. So this is Jason Fielder. Until next time, Happy New Year. Good trading.